Buya kigima omurigereria bwensoko no kwigena kwane buna nigo gendrete buya andonsia sore na nigo gendrete kubwatia emeroberi yaito yensoko ase nchira yoboikerano Chinsa Isano na Ibere chiabono mugaso chingakingo kwarigania tonyore amangana maya ase nchira yobwenge kurugaiga ensoko TV oboroso bomuguse chitariki na 30 omutinyo 12 omwaka bw'ekiri 2025 retariane Linet Nyambane. Amayia nigo tukoyachakira kurwa ase ensemo ya Kakamega ase omoyega bwa masabo onyagwesera Cyrus Jirongo nigo gendrete gukorekana ase enkayaye Lukamanda imeye county ya Kakamega abarai kurwa ase serikali nabo igo bari batari ase serikali nigo baikiranire ase omoyega oyo egati yabarai abo baikiranire ngamona oyo kabeire omurai bwense ya Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta omonene bwa bawaziri Musalia Mudavadi omurai w'ikiama gĩa KANU Gideon Moi omonogeri bw'ebunge nene Moses Wetangula muwaziri bw'ebyombe n'obonchereria Wycliffe Oparanya amona abarai banda bange kurwa chisekta ao asebano tigatonyore eyemase eyemo ayo agendete gukorekana ime county ya Kakamega.
When they were coming out, President was driving back now to Nairobi. President Arap Moi told John Grang, that's my brother John Grang, whatever you want for the liberation of the people of South Sudan, and you want us to pass through Kenya, even if it means Jesus Christ passing through her, will allow him to go. So you can see the support, the tremendous support that we got from the government and from the people of Kenya, the people of South Sudan. We are very, very much proud of what you have done. And this continue. All the head of state that they passed, even 2013, I was among the people who was arrested, accused that I want to make a coup. I'm still alive because the president here, Uhuru Kenyatta, went to Juba and they went and saved us from jail. So I want to say the people of South Sudan, there is a special place in our heart here for what you, the people of Kenya, have done. Now to Jirongo. Jirongo connected us. And it is John Grang who connected me with Jirongo. And we became very, very, very good friends. We became very, very good friends. Jirongo helped us during the struggle, connected us with so many friends. So I can say that yes, the people, the government of Kenya helped us, but Jirongo as an individual, he helped us a lot. He connected us a lot, and he made SPLA very, very strong. Without his support, SPLA could have been defeated, and the Naivasha peace agreement that we have signed with Khartoum could not have been signed if SPLA was weak. But individuals like Jirongo, they play very, very big role. And from then, I want to say, I have been together with Jirongo. Even a few weeks ago, I was with Jirongo and Fred Amayia here. When we were discussing the issue of South Sudan, that we are still in crisis, how do we help? Last year, me and Jirongo, we met President in Kampala, Museveni, so that Museveni can work with Ruto to solve the problem of South Sudan. So Jirongo is a big loss, yes, to my brother here in Kenya, to the family, but it is a big loss to us in South Sudan. And I want to repeat myself again that my sisters, Hannah, said before, how many times we have been every day going to the house of Jirongo, eating day and night, and then doing a lot of good things. So I want to say that we, the people of South Sudan, and most of us who have been in SPLM, SPLA, we will keep Jirongo in our heart, and the family is our family, and we will continue to be together with you. God bless his soul, and we will continue to pray for him. Thank you very much.
Fred Kim Kung and Werangai, please come forward. Your Excellency, former President Uhuru Kenyatta, Prime Cabinet Secretary, Minister Musalia Mudavadi, Speaker Moses Wetangula, and Chairman Gideon Moi, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be very brief today because I had the opportunity to eulogize my friend in Nairobi, and I would not like to repeat that because we have a lot of guests today. In summary, I lived and worked with Jirongo for very many years, actually decades, over 3.5 decades. We were very close friends. He trusted me and I trusted him. Many times when you meet people in the course of your life, you realize
Utigaragabu ase amakweri ajirongo omobunge okapuchai majimbo kalazinga noyo wangoiga osabire amachibu kubwatekana no gukwa gwa Cyrus Jirongo oyo sirobugima bwaye asomo basukano omobebwe bara Mobere o Cyrus Jirongo nigo gendete gukorerwa amasabo ase enkayaye ime county ya Kakamega bosibokoni wa abori tkoria ankyo.
I'm very disappointed in Kenya. I will not attend. Why I will not attend is that we are going to bury the truth. We have not been given full explanation. This is how we lost people. So many people have gone. We want a further explanation on this. I had not known anything. I had not known anything until the police came to tell us about the Pro Box. When one person had questioned what was the purpose of the Pro Box behind Jirongo's vehicle. And then someone came to explain, why is government giving us, choosing us what to tell us, to give us? They are choosing what we ask is what we get. We want a full commission of inquiry. Mr. President William Ruto, you worked with your friend Cyrus Jirongo closely in the hands of President Moi. Kindly, Mr. President, you are on top. You are on the top of the seat. You are the president of this country. Sanction a commission of inquiry. Let all the nation be explained the death of Jirongo. This issue of police investigating police, we are not going to allow, Mr. President. I'm talking as a senior lawyer. When you are elected by the people, you become senior. I'm talking like a senior lawyer from a senior tribe of the lawyer called the Bukusu. A man who has gone properly under the right of circumcision. We come in the day, in the morning. We don't hide any statement. We tell you the truth, my brother. My president, you are the head of this country. The only thing we can ask from you is to have a judicial commission of inquiry. Like they did for Robert Ouko. We want it to be opened up so the family can get to the...
Gotigana na yu omonogeri bwe bunge enene imeyense Moses Wetangula nigo araririe guchia kubwatira na gesiasa na Musalia Mudavadi boigo Wycliffe Oparanya bosibo bochorio bonene bore bosio umwaka buchiri bubere 25 nebere Wetangula nigatebire einere nchire yemo yoguchia kubeka egesa kukia mulembe amo.
Sisi hatutaki kutengana. Oparanya, Musalia, myself, our wabunge wote kama viongozi wetu until we speak with one voice. Hata mkiwa mapacha, mmoja huwa anatoka mbele ya mwingine. Si ndio? Tunaomba tuungane. Wengine wetu tumejaribu, thanks to people like Dr. Kibunguchi who have walked with us, who have stood with us, who have supported us, and who have denied themselves for the common good of our community. Tunaomba hata kama sisi tulio mbele si wazuri kwa matarajio yenu, sisi ndio tuko mbele. Sisi region hii na jirani zetu. Jirani, familia, jamii ya shemeji hawana shida, wao wameungana tayari. Ukienda kwa jamii ya shemeji hawana maneno, hata watu wakiwa namna gani wanasimama wanazungumza kitu moja. Ukienda kwa ndugu zetu hapa baharini Lake Victoria hawana shida. Ndio juzi nimekuwa hapa kwa Jirongo, Orenga anasimama anasema watu wanazungumza mambo ya Luya unit, that is rubbish. Nikamuuliza, wewe nyinyi mmeungana tayari, hutaki sisi tuungane? Na tukiendelea kusambaratika ndio wengine
Enkwane yo ni goya ego koboko no mubunge okandunyi John Mugabe no yo mwabo olikuyani amona baraibande asebonsi bakwanire obuyabore ororo ase abarai kurwense meyo gochicha amo.
Tafadhali kama tulivyosemwa na ndugu yangu investor na sisi wote hapo tunaenda kanisani tukiomba tukipiga magoti chini, wacha vifo vya hawa viongozi wawili wa Luya waweze kufanya sisi wa Luya tuweze kurudi kwa meza moja, tuweze kuongea kwa sauti moja, tuache kuonyeshana vidole, tuwekeane heshima, na tukiwekana sisi wenyewe heshima, kwa sababu Mswahili alisema heshima si utumwa.
Najua hapa kwetu tuna viongozi ambao hawaelewi mambo mengine, wanaleta chuki, wanaleta matusi kwa viongozi wetu. Kulea kiongozi afike kwamba yeye ni namba 3 katika jamhuri sio rahisi. Na sisi tukimwona pale, badala ya kumshangilia kama jamii zingine, sisi tunaanza matusi, tunaanza fitina, tunaanza chuki.
Utikana na yo omwaziri wa Amayia Chinsa Isano Musalia Mudavadi nigegereiro muroberi bobobweni osha asatebire nigore no buyagochia asaba Kenya bonsi gwanchirere gutayo gukwana Musalia nigo aruro kubore gochia asaba Kenya kubwatera koboko omoroberi yo asatebire nigo ore na mange amaya.
It is important that Kenyans appreciate that we have 1.4 million Kenyans who are affected and living with HIV in this country. 1.4 million Kenyans. And they have dependents, they have families. Huu mkataba ulikuwa kuhakikisha kwamba there is a steady supply to ensure that these 1.4 million Kenyans who have a right to life like everybody else have a steady supply of medication. We have many Kenyans ambao wanaumia kwa diabetes. Diabetes is a very expensive ailment. They have to have a steady supply of medical merchandise to help them overcome the challenge of diabetes. There are many young children who are being born who must be immunized from polio and other dangerous diseases that can affect them in their early growth. Mkataba huo una program ya kuhakikisha kwamba our children have supplies for medicine. Program hiyo is also conscious that there are many Kenyans who suffer from tuberculosis. They must have a steady supply of tuberculosis. Equally, malaria is a thorn in the flesh in our region. Now, malaria in a strain nyingi, it mutates. One day this medicine works, another day it does not work, and you need another type of medicine. So we need a steady supply of medicine. So this was the package that was being signed to help Kenyans so that they can have access to medicine, because we talk of universal health care, we must have access to medicine.
Na gwikiraga abo omurigereri w'ensoko no tugwikira omweri obwa mang'ana Amayia Chinsa Isano korende Chinsa gusense yamo ya butuko na bwego Chinsa Isano ni gora chiko yanyora asenjira ere yo wikirano igatiari agendete gukorekana Chinsa yamo cha Kakamega asa masabo anya gusira Cyrus Jirongo agendete kwenekiwa na bwego ikyumbe ky'ubutakti kya Infotrack kyanyara ko bage kubwato ko roboti kubwatekana no omubaro bwa makenya ase chi county au ayuamo na manga mange ni gora chiko yanyora ense yamo na bwego Chinsa Isano chubutuko bwirit koria rero gogo sabera ogende gutwara oburigererio buya eritariane Linet Nyambane.